Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian and in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your engine using P21S Total Auto Wash. That's this stuff right here. I saw a video on YouTube about using this and now I'm going to use it to clean the Subaru engine. You can see the engine is pretty dirty. It's not awful, but it is dirty. And yesterday I cleaned my Honda engine with this stuff and it worked out great. So we're going to do the Subaru and get that done. All right, so the first thing I did was take out the battery, and that's pretty straightforward. Next, I'm going to cover the alternator. You can get the alternator a little wet, but it's advisable to not soak it, and I'm going to soak the shit out of this engine. So I'm going to cover the alternator first, then I'll lightly clean it after. And the engine's been cooling off now for about 40 minutes. It's slightly warm to the touch. You can feel a little bit of heat, but it's by no means a hot engine. And aside from the alternator, you don't have to cover anything else. You just don't want to blast really hard into any of the electrical components. And then it's pretty straightforward. You take the P21S Total Auto Wash and just saturate everything, and then you let it sit for about a minute. And you can get this on everything, metal, plastic, everything. It's totally safe for your car. Okay, so now I'm gonna let it sit for a minute, minute and a half, and then blast it off with water. I'm just using a garden hose for this. I'm not using a pressure washer on this stage. I will use a pressure washer to get down there on the engine block and hit some of the areas that are really dirty, but this is gonna be great for right now. Okay, it's been 1 minute, so now I'm gonna hose it down. All right, looking great. And that is with just spraying it down with the Total Auto Wash and then hosing it down. You can see it as a night and day difference. Now, if you have a leaf blower or a shop vac, you can blow the engine off. We're just gonna fire up the car and take it for a drive to help dry it off. Yeah, that looks great. So, if you want to clean the alternator, you can. And that one's pretty dirty. Didn't get down in there either. Okay, looking good. So now, instead of blowing the engine off and drying it off, which is recommended, we're just gonna fire up the car and take it for a ride, maybe 10 minutes, and then pop the hood and see how it looks. Okay, we went for about a 20-minute drive, and let's take a look at the final results. Oh yeah, that looks real good. All right, there you have it. That's the Total Auto Wash and how it works. I'm pretty happy with it. I plan on using it once a month on both of our cars to keep them nice and clean in the engine bays. That's it for this one. See you in the next one.